Little Maya wished for a kitchen adventure. Grandma smiled. Let's make almond burfi, a sweet Indian treat. Maya's heart fluttered. She loved almond burfis. They gathered ingredients. Maya stirred sugar, milk, almond flour, and ghee. Mix kept sticking. Her brow furrowed, worried. Grandma added tiny, fragrant cardamom. Maya stirred. Magical scent-filled kitchen. Melting doubts. Mix transformed to another bowl. Finally, they cut soft, nutty burfi. Maya tasted her sweet triumph, a delicious discovery with Grandma's love and secret spice.